Here's one more wall in my shop. Let's start over here. There's a palm leaf texture, a little bit of additional swirly stuff in it, given kind of a vigorous painted finish. This was a sample for 3 large walls done for a hospital corporation in Oregon that were simulated, painted with a metallic paint and then highlighted so they look like bronze. They feature different vignettes from scenes of Oregon. This is, I think, Bellingham, Washington, with the ski mountain. Up there's a gallery piece done in stained cherry, some carved ferns in MDF. This is another panel for the EMX bus stop project, using wild grasses as the motif. Here's a more vigorous treatment of ginkgo leaf with a different carve pattern and a higher relief. Here's a tropical gate design, palm and bird of paradise. Tropical like headboard design. That's just done in MDF. This is a design basically taken from Tivoli in Copenhagen. Beautiful old ornament they have on that. This is a fully three-dimensional carving, both sides carved but not identical carving, so that it looks like it's actual 3D pieces. This was a paned carve. I called them the hell panels. Here's a leaf. It's only about 1/4 of an inch of relief on this, but the paintings has meant to give it additional relief.